This is an update video on the driveway that we did last summer. The driveway is being great. There's a link below how we did the driveway. We use recycled asphalt and it's good, no complaint. It's really sturdy, it's nice, it's holding on really good. I'm really happy with it. And there is another few questions that people ask, that how do we do the winter maintenance? Well, without destroying it, we gotta plow it. So this is what we come up with. So this is what we made. This is a snow plow. We bought it for 20 bucks from an ATV. This is an ATV snow plow. So basically, it's very simple. What we did, we attached an angle iron. We welded an angle iron to the snow plow itself. So we can attach it to the blade. So now we can have the snow plow without removing the front blade from the tractor, which is really good and convenient. The tractor blade already has holes. It comes with a few pre-made holes. So we just used those holes. We didn't drill any holes on the blade. And we attached it with 2 screws here. So just removing the 2 screws and the plow comes off. And also what else we did is we put these wheels on the plow. You can purchase this from Princess Auto. It's pretty cheap, it's like $15. We attached it, we support it, and the purpose of this wheel is to keep the blade, the edge of the blade, off the recycled asphalt, because we don't want to scrape it, we don't want to destroy it, damage it. So, and the also great feature for this is that with the pin, you can totally adjust the angle. So before we had this plow, we always plow with the blade, just simply with the tractor, pick up the snow, dump it on the side. It was so much work, so much hassle. It's so much simpler like this. We can attach it in both directions. You can make it straight. You can make it this way, so it just throws the snow on the side. It's very good. I'm going to show you how it actually works. And the way it works, how the wheels are working. If I lower the tractor, the blade, you can see because of the wheels, it's not actually touching. It's leaving 1.5 inches, 2 inches. You can adjust it with the blade. If you tilt the blade more, this edge gonna get closer to the ground, or you can even put it higher. This is really good to leave at least 2 inches. I would recommend 2-inch snow on your driveway. So if your car can go in 2-inch snow, then maybe you should, considering it, driving it at all. But in 2-inch snow, every car should go pretty smoothly. So it's really good. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to show you how it works and how simple and how fast. Actually, it's pretty fun to do it, to plow the snow, plow the driveway. Now, before it was suffering and I didn't want to do it. Now I'm actually looking forward to plowing the driveway.